Hello everyone, make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and insert a hair loop from right to left and bring the tail from right and how it come down at the left side and how it tighten a little bit, then also move it to the bottom right and how a rubber attach the top middle part and stuff the tail to the last part of the rubber and insert a very beautiful hairpin through the rubber and secure it on the right side, then adjust the bun for volume. Attach the sides of your hair, tie in the right middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then tighten it a little bit, then grab the sides of the hair right below that and pinch out the hair on the top section and also on the twisted band to boost our design. Split them into 3 parts and have it braided. You know how to braid it. Cross the hair. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band and pinch out the hair and the braid sides to make it into a loopy braid and roll the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin through it and decorate with your favorite hairpin on top of that. Wrap the sides of your hair, braid it and tie in the middle of the rubber band with the remaining section of the hair. Make a lovely ponytail and split the tail into 3 parts with the middle one being thicker. Then have a rubber attach the middle part of that. Then after that, the ponytail at the sides, move on to the left tail and have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided. Do the braiding in the thicker part up to top and bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band, but don't forget to pinch out the braid only on the left side. Then after that, move on to the right tail and have it split them into 3 parts and braid it in the same way as we did before, but in a vice versa manner. Pinch the braid only on the right side. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Then move on to the middle tail and create a loop in the middle part using your finger and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Then combine all the 3 tails together with a common rubber band at the bottom and stuff the tips into the middle, making as a bun, and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a very big black hairpin to the rubber band in the center. Then decorate even further by dropping your favorite hairpin in the middle. Wrap the sides of your hair, tie in the middle with a rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then insert a very beautiful ribbon into it and have it roll twice on the left side and have it come down. Then grab the sides of the hair right below that and tie with the rubber band right over the tail we have. Then braid it along with the ribbon and have a bow tie design at the end and secure the rubber band. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then tighten it a little bit, then hold the remaining hair together and have a rubber attached to it and split a ponytail into 2 and have a rubber attach the middle part of the tail and drop the tail into its own loop and have both the tails combined together at the bottom with the rubber band and stuff the tail to the last loop of the rubber band, making as a bun, and have a very big black hairpin attached to the rubber band and make it to the top and have it dropped into a twisted band. Then adjust the bun for volume and drop in your favorite hairpin right on top of that. Grab a few strands of hair from the left side of the top section, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in thicker manner. Grab another section of the hair right below that and do the braiding in a little bit thinner manner than the first one. Then make it as a loopy braid and combine every hair together into a common ponytail and have a rubber attach the middle part of the tail, drop the tail into it, split the tail into 2 parts and have it bend inwards and have it go over the rubber band. Grab your sides of your hair, tie in the left middle of the rubber band and drop it inside. Grab the right section of the hair, twist it and drop it inside the left side of the loop. Then grab another section of the hair from the right and apply some hair wax and do it totally 3 times. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair, braid it in a loopy manner and have it go to the top right and have it drop into the twisted band and secure with the hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.